So now let's see how we can work with Panoramic Capture inside of Snagit. So I'm here in Snagit editor, so I'm just going to switch over to my capture window right here. So let me just click on capture until my capture window opens. So I'm going to bring in an Excel sheet right over here, just like this. And now you can see that I have a bunch of data. So if I were to go over here, there's a lot, as you can see right here. Of course, I can use the automatic capture, but if you want only certain portion of the panorama right here, then you can use the panoramic capture. So for that, I'm going to go to image right here, and from the selection, I'm just going to select panoramic. So once I do that, what I have is when I hit the capture button, it gives me a crosshair. So it gives me a crosshair section right here on the area that I want to capture. So I'm just going to select out this area right here because that is the panoramic capture I want off. So once I select it here, you can see that it says click to start begin panoramic capture. I'm going to hit start. And then what you can do is slowly drag this around, giving it enough time to actually capture out the areas right over here. So slowly go around and then don't be too fast. Give it time to actually collect out the data right here. Just go around and that's it. That's the panoramic capture I want. So just stop it. And now what happens is that you have the panoramic capture. So once you open up the editor right here, this is the panoramic capture of all of the data right over here, as you can see. So you got every data right over here for that particular portion, just like this. So all of them are here. You can adjust this around and you got a whole range of capture, as you can see, just like that. So you can do this with anything. You can do this with pictures, you can do this with files and so forth, just like that. So let us try one more over here onto the serial number right here. So if I were to go to panoramic capture, this is the area that I want to work with. Let's say, for example, so I can hit start and then slowly go around right here and then scroll down. Okay, scroll down right there and then stop. And what happens is that you got the panoramic capture of all of the numbers right here. But since I was too fast right here, you can see that it didn't work out quite well, just like that. That is why you have to be slow. So let us try that out again. This time I'm going to be slow so that it does not affect it very much. So let me just go around over here, capture, and then click and drag this out right here, just like this. Okay. And then I'm going to start the capture and slowly go down right here. Just slowly go down right here. Okay, so slowly go down right here, just like that. Okay, not too fast, just like that. And then till 100 right here. Let's stop it and this should be better now. All right, so now seems like 1, 2, 3. Yes, all of the numbers are here. So you got to be slow while you're manually dragging it. So you got to capture out something that's like from top to bottom. Then you can use the panoramic capture, just like that. And that is how you can use the panoramic capture inside of Snagit editor. So we guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.